Very quick one right here concerning the IdOS Airdrop. All right, so there's been a lot of new updates regarding this particular project, and very quickly we are going to be talking about it on this particular video so that you know what to expect and when to expect it. So as we all know, IdOS Airdrop is currently running their sale, which I'm clearly not participating on. Before you participate on any IdOS sale, make sure you have done your research. So I'm not talking about that at all. I'm only focusing on the airdrop, and this is what I need you to know right now. So the IdOS token has been confirmed to be getting listed on Kraken. All right, so you all know that Kraken exchange is a platform where you can trade crypto and stuff like that. So they've actually hinted that they have actually added this to their roadmap, meaning that they are going to be listing it very soon. However, the listing date has also been confirmed, and the listing date of this particular token called IdOS, which many of us have actually participated on the airdrop, is going to be on the 5th of March, which is 5th of February. We have less than a week before the listing, or about a week before the listing of this particular token called IdOS. So if you participate on the airdrop, you should anticipate to claim your token and also trade it and make your money out of it. And also another important thing that I need you to know right now concerning the IdOS airdrop is, of course, that the token, there's going to be no airdrop checker. According to the information that we have from one of their team members, he just hinted right here that there's going to be no airdrop checker for IdOS airdrop, because for the fact that the listing of that token is drawing closer, a lot of people are asking for the airdrop checker. Airdrop checker is a way that you can get to know if you are eligible for the airdrop or not. So according to one of the team right here, he said that there's going to be no airdrop checker for IdOS token, that you will receive your token directly to your wallet. So if you have been participating on the IdOS airdrop, and before you participate, you must have linked your wallet, right? So your token are going to be sent directly to the wallet that you linked to your own IdOS profile. And I believe by now you must have done your KYC. I made the video and I actually updated you all about that. So right now we are now anticipating for the IdOS airdrop to be getting listed on the 15th of March on Kraken exchange. So I believe other exchange are also going to be listing this particular token, because this project is a very big one, and a lot of other exchanges are going to be following up, since Kraken has already hinted that they will be listing the IdOS token on their platform. Okay, so if you participated on the IdOS airdrop, which I shared with you guys a couple of months ago, you should be ready. You should be getting ready to claim your token and of course sell it on Kraken and probably other crypto exchanges where this token is going to be getting listed. So there's going to be no airdrop checker, and the token is going to be listing on the 5th of March. Right now we are now waiting until the date arrives. We are going to be claiming our token and we are going to be selling it. We are going to be making our money. All right, so thank you for watching the video. Remember, on this channel I talk about crypto airdrop and I help you make money. I put you through and I keep you updated all day long. So if you haven't joined our Telegram yet, the link to our Telegram is going to be right there on the video description. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep us motivated and also to keep you always updated on anything crypto airdrop. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video dropping very soon.